Assalam alaikum, your story is called Proof of Love. Written and voiced by Hafiz name Ahmed Sail. Please subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell icon. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Sophie who lived in a small village on the outskirts of a vast city. She lived a simple life, working as a social worker and spending the days of her life with her best friend, a wise old sage named Mr. Kim. Despite her humble existence, Sophie was content and full of love for those around her. One day, when she was going to the market to buy some goods, she was stopped by a handsome young man named Jack. He was a prince from a neighboring kingdom and had come to the village on a quest to find the source of a strange magical power that was said to reside in the village. Jack is immediately moved by Sophie's kind heart and gentle spirit, asking her if she would help him find his fountain. Sophie nodded in agreement, and the two set off together on an adventure that took them far away from the kingdom. During the journey, they faced all kinds of obstacles, but with each passing day, their love for each other grew stronger. They laughed, they cried, they danced, and they held each other close in the dark of night. Eventually, they discovered that the source of magical power is not an object or a place but a person. This Mr. Kim was Sophie's dear friend and mentor, who had been blessed with the gift of magic by the gods themselves. Jack is shocked and humbled by this revelation, and he asks Mr. Kim to use his powers to help him find true love. Mr. Kim agrees, and with a twinkle in his eye, he casts a spell that transports Jack and Sophie to their hearts' desires. The two are transported to a wonderful world full of magic and wonder, where they encounter all kinds of strange creatures and face challenges that test their love for each other. In the end, they proved their love true and were awarded the ultimate prize, a love that will last forever. They returned to the village as husband and wife and spent the rest of their days together in happiness and love. Years passed, and Sophie and Jack had many children who grew up to be as brave and kind as their parents. They lived long and happy lives, and their love inspired generations of people to find their true loves and hold on to them with all their hearts. And so Sophie and Jack's legacy lives on, a shining example of the power of love to conquer all obstacles and bring joy and happiness to the world. Thus, the story of Sophie and Jack became famous as the greatest love story, a story that was heard and told for centuries to come. And though time passes and memories fade, their love remains as strong and pure as the day they first met. Their lives a testament to the power of love to endure and conquer the greatest of challenges.